Hey food lovers! Today we're diving into a one-pan wonder that's as easy as it is delicious. Say hello to my chicken apple sausage sheet pan dinner, a meal that combines juicy chicken, savory sausages, and vibrant veggies, all roasted to perfection. Get ready for a hassle-free dinner that's packed with flavor and sure to impress. Let's get cooking. 1. Preheat the oven. Set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. Prepare the vegetables. In a large bowl, combine the Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and red onion. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then sprinkle with garlic powder, thyme, salt, and pepper. Toss until everything is well coated. 3. Add the meats. On the prepared baking sheet, spread the seasoned vegetables evenly. Add the diced chicken and sliced sausages on top, drizzling with the remaining olive oil. 4. Roast. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender, stirring halfway through for even cooking. 5. Serve. Once done, remove from the oven and garnish with fresh parsley. Enjoy this hearty meal straight from the pan.